I asked Nana Banana to create an image that could do $6,000 a month because this blanket is already doing $6,000 a month and it was only listed 7 months ago. And this pet pillow, it's doing almost $7,000 a month. This stained glass image, well, it's also doing close to $7,000 a month as well. There are 5 steps to finding a winning design, and we've just done the first one, which was a research phase, making sure there are validated products already selling to the niche that we're going after. The next step is to identify the product opportunity, and that's what we're going to look for right now. Now, one of my favorite tools for identifying new product opportunities is eRank. It is a keyword tool, so it shows us what terms people are using to actually find the products that they're looking for. So on this screen in the monthly trends, what we can see is the different keywords or product types and search terms that people are using. Anything with this little fire symbol beside it was popular yesterday. So coming through the top, I tend to go towards the ones that have the higher profit. So stickers and shirts, not really. Earrings, they're not really print on demand. But coming down to wall art and jewelry, they're starting to get pretty interesting. Coming down a bit further, the one that I want to check out is phone case. So I'm just going to open that. And if we go and check it out, what we're going to look for over here is the level of competition compared to the search volume. So we can see here, phone case is 43,000 average searches a month. There's quite a bit of competition there, but it's nowhere near what it would be on a t-shirt, which would be in the millions or tens of millions. What we're looking for from here is the added terms that they're using alongside phone case. So anime phone case, that's a good one to start looking for. Halloween phone case, Grinch, Decadent, Pokemon, Niffy, horror, book, etc., etc. What I like seeing here is that there is a lot of product opportunity here. And one thing that's not popping up just yet is the pet phone cases, which is quite interesting. Now, why this is an interesting product opportunity is because there's a lot of searches over 1,000 per month with relatively low competition. This means you can get into an unsaturated niche with a new product type with proven designs and get sales fast sooner. So what I want to do is take this idea of the stained glass looking image and apply that design concept to phone cases. By overlapping these two, we are not copying anybody out there in the industry. We're actually looking to be one of the first sellers that actually jump in front of the market that we know is already there based on the other research that we've done. Now, kids, this is not regurgitated theory. This is a process I've been refining for over the last 13 years and $10 million of product sales. And I've put it together inside the AI Products Accelerator, which is my new coaching program for AI physical products. If you want to check it out, the link's in the description below. Let's get on to the next step. To get started, we need an image of a dog because that's the niche we're going after. So all I want is a bit of a portrait image like this. That's a pretty good one. I'm pretty sure that's the closest we're going to get. It needs to be candid, as most people's dogs will be a candid photo. So I'm just going to snapshot that. Then I'm going to go into Google Flow. I'm going to add that image. Once it's uploaded, when we're doing this, we want to make sure the output's all the same. So we want to make sure it's the 9:16. We want 4 outputs because we want to see which style is going to be the best. And we're going to use Nano Banana Pro. So from there, we've got our image attached. We're going to put in our prompt and then we're going to go to work. It doesn't take that long for these images to be created, which is amazing. And with Nano Banana inside Google Flow, we can get a lot more variations done far quicker than just waiting for one image at a time. So if we can do a few different variations, get a couple of different dogs and portraits going, we're going to see results much faster because we're just putting out variations. So I think this one's the winner. So I'm going to download that, download 2K. And the only reason I'm saying that one's the winner is it's just the one that I think is the most appealing out of that. Its color is a bit more vibrant. It's contrasting to the background. I just think it's really quite cool. So from that, we have to go over into our supplier, who in this case is Printify. They've got the phone cases that we want to use. And we'll go to magnetic impact resistant. Pretty simple. Location, start designing. And all we need to do from here is just upload the design that we've already done. So we're just going to do that. Cute. Look at that. Looks very good. Awesome. Okay, save selection. Now the next step, what we want to do is we're going to take this image and then we're going to get Google Flow to create product mock-ups for us so it looks like a real image in a real life situation. So I'm just going to click on that, take that, and we'll go back over to Google Flow, put that in. So once we have that uploaded, we want to put in our prompt. And we want to make this one square because we're going to use these product images and we'll let it get to work again. Look at that. Beautiful. Love it. download it. Then once you've uploaded it to your supplier, it's going to be available for you to optimize on Etsy, where you put in the keywords that you were looking for, including the stained glass, the custom pet portrait, all the different terms that we've seen on other listings while we're doing our research. We've also got it on our Shopify store where you can drive paid marketing to it. So the beauty of actually having a Shopify store is you own all your data. So the customers that come to your store, you can re-email them to bring them back, because that's where the real money is made. You don't just want to sell one product to one customer one time. You want to be able to increase the lifetime value of your customers by having an email strategy in the back end. The best way to scale your business is through paid marketing. It's how I've been able to do over $180,000 over the past 90 days with my own store. It is just a far better way to actually make real money with this business. Etsy is a really good way to have an archive of all the different products that you're selling as a supplementary marketplace to the store and the brand that you're building. 5 steps. 1, research, making sure that we're validating that there is a buyer out there for the designs that we want to create. That way, the time we invest, the money that we invest is a lot more fruitful than just creating products that we want to make. 2, we then want to make sure that we're creating designs with AI. AI makes it so much faster, and it means you don't have to have Photoshop skills. You don't need to have designers or the backwards and forwards communication with them. It makes it far easier. We want to also use it with Canva, because that's the best way that I've found to actually be able to customize each of those designs. Then we need to choose a good quality supplier, because we want to make sure that all the products that we're selling actually show up to our buyers and that we're actually making profit along the way. So making sure that our supplier has high profit products that arrive is paramount to having happy customers. Then we need to make sure that once we've uploaded those designs, that they're published to our stores. We want to make sure that everything that we're working on in this business is resulting in a product that gets published to somewhere where somebody can buy it. That is the data we want, not asking our partners if they like the designs, because I'm telling you, ugly sells, and 99% of the stuff that I've sold, my wife would not buy. That is just a cold, hard fact. And lastly, we want to drive that traffic. And the best way to do that I have found is through paid advertising on Meta, Facebook, Instagram, directly to my store, and then using Etsy as another marketplace that is supplementary to the main one, which is Shopify. That way, I'm owning the brand that we're building. Now, all this is what I've packaged up and put inside the AI Products Accelerator, and it's my coaching program for AI physical products. I give you the full step-by-step blueprint. I help you create your brand kit. I help you create your store, understand the different AI tools, how to market, how to optimize your listings. And I'm there personally to coach you every step of the way. And you're in a community with other like-minded people taking action and chasing down their goals. If you'd love to check it out, the link is in the description below. So make sure you click it, book your call with me, and I'll see you over there. But until next time, make sure you check out this video where I'm teaching you how to create high-value metal art where you're making more profit per sale. Stay awesome.